IFA night, which of course is on the 18th, which is the day after tomorrow. So I think it's just it's a chance for everyone to get together. There's always some really nice performances and there's a lot of fun energy, and I think everyone's just gearing up for the big night. I'm very excited about the show on the 18th. I think it's going to be a magical night. IFA is there's always something unexpected that happens at IFA. There's always like some really memorable moment, and the performances and the acts which Shamak has done is really spectacular. Me and Shamak have worked on something which is really, really new. It's something I've never done before on stage, so I'm really looking forward to it. Thank you. This dress is by designer Julian McDonald. No, my act is alone. I'm performing solo, and I think there's some great performers. There's an amazing lineup of performers, and I think it's going to be a spectacular show.
One more question. It's also social causes, and one of them is the pollution of plastic waste. Do you think this situation has come up to a level where we have to take the initiative?
Absolutely. I think that basically what Prime Minister Modi Sahab has done is an absolutely fantastic initiative. I think he really deserves all of our support. It is such an incredible initiative that he's launched, and it's very, very simple. Even if you do something as small as just not using plastic straws, not drinking from water in plastic bottles, like you can get, a container, you can get so many nice containers which are available. It will make a huge difference. किसका पोस्टर? I think it's looking incredible. I mean, that's such a fun series, and everyone is really, really looking forward to it. So I'm really looking forward to it. अब मुझे सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है क्या कहें? I think, sorry, because I can't hear you, there's a lot of noise. I don't know enough about the situation, what you're saying, but I think what we've already discussed is that we all need to do our bit to protect the environment. I think what we are seeing right now, what we just saw happen at the Amazon, is something which is really, really concerning, and I think now the problem is really coming so much in front of our face that we can no longer ignore it. So I think everyone needs to wake up and be very, very conscious of what is happening, because now it's come to the point where we will start seeing the adverse effects that it's going to have on us. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Sorry? Yes.
यार देखो, मुझे लगा कि कुछ ऐसा पहन जाऊँ जो आवाज़ दे रही, ये जो है I really don't know यार what stuck my mind. I thought I should wear something different, तो बस मेरा मन किया, मैंने पहन लिया. So आज नहीं, 18th को me and Ayush are hosting main IFA, so I think really looking forward to that. काफ़ी टाइम से हम सोच रहे थे कि किस चीज़ पे collaborate करें एक साथ. So and collaborating with Ayush on the big stage, hosting the show together will be amazing. Yeah, I think you work hard throughout the year, and apart from the love you get from the audience, which is the biggest, अवार्ड्स भी उसी तरह आपको खुशी देते हैं, एंड you just feel it's quite gratifying. जो आपको लगता है कि there are people who are liking your performance, people who whom you have touched their hearts through your performance. So yeah, I mean, of course, winning an award is always quite a cherry on the cake after a successful film. हाँ जी, ड्रीम गर्ल देखी, of course देखी ड्रीम गर्ल यार. 45 करोड़ की ओपनिंग है वीकेंड की यार. ऐसे I can't be more polite about it. और आई थिंक बहुत ही अच्छे रिव्यूज़ एंड बहुत अच्छी फीडबैक एंड बहुत अच्छा ऑडियंस रिएक्शन. व्हेन आई वाज वाचिंग द फिल्म द एंटायर ऑडियंस वाज इन स्प्लिट्स एंड आई थिंक काफ़ी ज़्यादा धमाकेदार एंट्री हुई है इस फिल्म की. गुड इवनिंग सर, नमस्कार, कैसे हैं आप? टचवुड, आप ही ने बोला था यार, आप ही के मुंह में घी शक्कर. एंड I think it's a very good start. I hope it reaches wherever it reaches. Everyone has worked really hard on the film. Ayush Bhaiya, Nusrat, Abhishek Banerjee, Manjot, Raj Chandilya, Ekta, Ruchika. Everybody has worked really hard on the film. The music, Meet Brothers, everybody. I think the entire team, बहुत ज़्यादा they were together in it. So congratulations to the entire team for such an amazing response. जी, आज फैशन शो है, तो आई विल बी वॉकिंग फॉर शांतनु निखिल. सो अभी जाकर उनका आउटफिट पहनूंगा, ये उनका आउटफिट नहीं है. सो या आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दैट एज वेल. यार, फ्रॉम बैन ऑन प्लास्टिक टू वाटर कंजर्वेशन, आई थिंक वी रियली नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ द एनवायरनमेंट. एंड ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है जब चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्ट्रक्टिव हो जाएंगी. And we as public figures really need to put our act together and really help to kind of bring about a change. It's high time. यार ऑफ कोर्स, बल्कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि सिर्फ पेड़ काटने पे ही नहीं, हर एक चीज़ पे है. नॉइज़ पोल्यूशन एंड जहाँ पे भी आपको यूज़ ऑफ प्लास्टिक एंड काफ़ी सारी ऐसी चीज़ें जिसके लिए जो हमें पर्यावरण के लिए करनी है. एंड आई थिंक इट्स ओनली बेटर फॉर अस एंड जनरेशंस टू कम. जी सर, कुछ पूछ रहे थे आप? हो गया? ओके, यही पूछ रहे थे. यार, जो वन नेशन वन लैंग्वेज कह रहे हैं, आई थिंक म्यूज़िक, फिल्म्स, ये एक ही लैंग्वेज है जो हमारे देश को कनेक्ट करती है. सो या वी ऑलरेडी हैव वन लैंग्वेज. सो हैविंग सेड दैट, हर एक का एक अपना व्यू पॉइंट रहेगा उस पर. एंड आई डोंट थिंक दिस इज़ द राइट स्टेज टू कमेंट ऑन दैट, स्पेशली व्हेन आई डोंट नो द फैक्ट्स करेक्टली. सो बट या, हैविंग सेड दैट, आई मीन आई एम रियली प्राउड ऑफ नोइंग वेरियस लैंग्वेजेस. एंड जब भी मैं अलग अलग किरदार निभाने जाता हूँ, कोशिश करता हूँ कि उन लैंग्वेजेस को भी अच्छी तरह मैं सीखने की कोशिश करूँ. एंड आई हैव अ थिंग फॉर लैंग्वेजेस एंड आई लव डूइंग दैट. बट ये एक होना चाहिए, नहीं होना चाहिए, टू नॉट अ राइट स्टेज टू काइंड ऑफ कमेंट ऑन दैट. या, थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू. ओ जसी पाली.
Subscribe to Biscuit TV and press the bell icon on your YouTube app and never miss another Bollywood update from Biscuit TV.